There's a cardboard box beside my chair, full of pieces from years of wear. Some are bright, some worn and thin, some don't look like they belong in. I used to rush and jam them tight, hoping force could make it right. But crooked edges only break and leave a bigger hole to ache. My life's a jigsaw spread across this place, little bits of love and loss, time and space. I'm searching for the right connection, slow and true, not forcing pieces just to make them do. One by one I'll find where they belong, keep my head focused when the nights feel long, and when the picture's finally clear to me, I hope this jigsaw's one I'm proud to see. I set the edges first, like Mama said. Build a frame before you fill the rest. So I laid down work, a home, a name, then circled back through joy and pain. There's a piece shaped like a midnight drive, another from the day my father died, a faded one from a love gone cold. Still it's part of the story being told. My life's a jigsaw spread across this place, little bits of love and loss, time and space. I'm searching for the right connection, slow and true, not forcing pieces just to make them do. One by one I'll find where they belong, keep my head focused when the nights feel long, and when the picture's finally clear to me, I hope this jigsaw's one I'm proud to see. Sometimes I stare at the empty spots, wondering if something's missing or just not found. And I remember no puzzle's complete till every piece comes back around. My life's a jigsaw spread across this place, every scar and smile has found a space. I'm still looking for the right connection, calm and true, letting patience do what force can do. One by one the picture's coming through, keep my head focused, keep my heart in view, and when the last piece settles quietly, I hope this jigsaw feels like home to me. Yeah, I hope this jigsaw feels like home to me.